my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your guide to help you design the best version of you by looking and feeling your best. We are almost in spring, and so I'm feeling the spring vibes coming across my way. Like today I am bringing you a hair tutorial, and what a way to cap off spring. Spring is going to be probably the day after you see this, but I'm feeling like really spring inspired. I'm getting spring vibes going on all up in my soul, all up in my hair, all up in, just like I said, my soul is breathing spring, baby. I just wanted to do something new. I'm also very mindful when styling my hair because my edges are a bit thinner and sparse. So I really like to make sure that that's camouflaged, and this is a really great hairstyle to go ahead and camouflage that, you know, those thinner, sparse edges. But then it also gives you a little bit spice. You know, you can switch it up, do something different. Recovering bald edges deserves the switch up too. I like to change my hair up quite a bit. I don't like to rock the same hairstyles, and to be honest with you, I really do love wearing hairstyles that show my face a little bit more and expose my face shape and my neck, and that it pulls my hair back so the focus is on the center of my face. And I find the best way to do that is with styles that are in ponytails of some sort, but I also have to be mindful of the fact that I do have thinner, sparse edges. So this is a really great way to do that. It's very sleek, it's sassy, it's sexy. And then I did my research, and then I saw that, you know, ponytails is jumping for spring on the runways. It was predicted that ponytails was making a comeback. Some of them I'm not here for, but this right here I'm doing. So I've seen this a plethora of times. So the first person being Yara Shahidi. Then I saw Dulce Candy's hairstylist create this on her, and I saw Desi Perkins. I saw my favorite, Miss Gabrielle Union. You know that is forever my muse. Well, after stalking Instagram page after Instagram page and saving Instagram photos and stalking and researching fashion shows, well, I wanted to do it myself. And you know I had to bring it to you girls. Yes, please do it for the girls. So I am using Ollie Julia hair. I absolutely love this hair. I thought it was really, really cute for the hairstyle. This is 22 inches and 18 inches. I had to make this as long as possible. I think the next time I create this hairstyle or recreate it, I am going to use 24 inches. I want it longer than this. I thought this was dope. Actually, I feel like this is giving me like warrior princess vibes. I definitely feel like I'm giving you warrior princess, right? This is very warrior style. Maybe Laura Croft, a chocolate Laura Croft. What do you think? I'm here for it. All right, so without further ado, let's get into this tutorial, and I will see you at the end of the video.
The following products that I will be using to create this style are a wide tooth comb, Argan Oil Echo Styler Gel, Cream of Nature Moisture Milk, Aunt Jackie's Half and Half Hair Milk, and a Boar Bristle Brush. I'll also be using Ollie Julia hair. This is the Brazilian curly, and this is what the curl pattern looks like. I will be starting out on stretched hair. This hair has been stretched out from a braid out. Now I'm going to hydrate my hair with water because I don't want my hair to be dry while it's in the ponytail. Next, I'm going to moisturize my edges. Here I'm just adding some wild growth oil and massaging it in. Next, I'm adding Cream of Nature Moisture Milk. And next, I'll be adding Jackie's Half and Half. And I'm just going to add, and I'm applying this to my edges and all over my hair. Next, I'm going to part my hair down the middle to make sure my part is neat and clean. Next, I will be applying the gel. I like to section my hair off since it is so thick so I can get a very sleek, neat ponytail. And I find that sectioning my hair off really helps to give me that sleek look. I'm going to start off by brushing the back into a sleek ponytail. Next, I'm going to take smaller sections from the sides and begin to mold them into a ponytail. So I'll just take the gel and the brush and I'll just begin molding it. Once all my hair has been molded from the sides, then I'm going to take the two sides and I'm going to brush them into a ponytail, and then I'm going to feed that into the ponytail that already exists. So I'll have two ponytails in one, and this is just the way that I do it because my hair is so thick and it gives me the sleekest ponytail possible. So I have two ponytails in one ponytail. Next, I'm just taking a toothbrush, and I like to use a toothbrush to fill in any gaps where my scalp may be showing, and also just to make my hair very sleek. I usually like to use the toothbrush before I add the bundles to my ponytail, and then also after, because a lot of the times after adding the bundles to my ponytail, my hair kind of moves in the front, so I'll do it before and after. And now I'm just twisting my hair into a bun, and then I'm going to install the bundles so that the bundles cover the bun. First, I'm going to be adding the 22 inches. And before I install the 22-inch bundle in my hair, I'm going to brush out the curls just to create some more frizz and to give it a little bit more texture. I like my extensions to have a lot more texture since my hair is very kinky to the core. So the more texture and frizz the hair has, the more it looks a little bit more realistic. I mean, obviously it's weave, but if I can get it to look a little bit more texturized, then that works in my favor. Now I'm just going to install that 22-inch bundle of hair by wrapping it around my ponytail. And after fully wrapping the hair around my ponytail, I found that it was just a little too thin for my liking. I wanted it to be really full and thick and just really voluminous and yeah, just really voluminous. So I decided to add the 18-inch bundle as well, and this just really helped to thicken it out and to give it a really full voluminous look. It also helped to camouflage my bun because you could kind of see my bun through the 22-inch bundle of hair. So adding both of those bundles really helped to camouflage my hair and give me more of a full voluminous look. So I'll just be taking a small section of hair and I'm going to wrap that around the ponytail to hide the weft. Now I'm ready to accessorize the hair. So to accessorize the hair, I will be using this thin gold bare copper wire. I got this off Amazon and I will link this down in my description box. This is actually made for jewelry beading, or yeah, to make jewelry. And it's very thin, so just be careful when using it. But I'm gonna take a very long piece of the bare copper wire, and I'm just going to begin to twist my hair and then add the wire to the middle of my hair. I'm going to be leaving inches out at the top and the bottom, and I just want the concentration of the wire and the design to be in the middle. And it does take a little bit of time to get the wire fully wrapped around the hair. I first kind of had to tie the wire around the hair, but that takes a lot of patience and it's very tedious, so just be patient when you're doing this. And so yeah, I just did a combination of tying and wrapping, tying and wrapping, tying and wrapping, and I wanted to create kind of like that crisscross design, but you have to continuously add more wire. So I cut lots of pieces of long wire, and I just began to wrap that around the hair until I started to see more of that crisscross design. But eventually, the more wire that you add, you'll have to just kind of follow the flow of the wire, and you'll start to see that it creates its own design. I mean, it's gonna turn out cute no matter what, but it's going to automatically create its own design. Yeah, so I just kept wrapping it around in different directions to create just a really nice aesthetic with the gold wire. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. You're going to have a little bit of frizz with the ponytail because the wire creates a little bit of frizz, but that just gives it more character. And then again, that wire is not going to be perfectly positioned. That's also going to have like a little bit of its own character going on. So at the end, you'll have like a really nice aesthetic the more wire that you add and the more that you begin to wrap it around in different directions. Yeah, I didn't want to cover the full ponytail with gold wire just because I wanted to give it my own interpretation. So that was why I did it the way that I did. But in the end, I was very pleased with this hairstyle. And so this is the finished look.
Alright ladies, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Follow me on Instagram because, you know, I'm trying to really do my thing on there. My Insta stories, they be kind of lit. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. So follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Favor, peace, and blessings, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.